Evergreen China Company Limited, specialized in production of rubber and high polymer parts for mining machinery. The company has 30 years' experience in mining machinery industry. The company is one of leading producer mining machinery parts. It covers an area of 33,000 square meters. Registered capital is 120 million yuan. The company has passed CE certification and 3 system certification: ISO 9001, 2015, ISO 14001, 2015, OSAS 18001, 2007. The company has very strong R&D team. More than 20 senior engineers for machinery design and rubber formula, and more than 120 experienced workers can guarantee high-quality products and good service. The company has advanced equipments including large flatbed vulcanizing machine, CNC machine center, and automatic welding equipments, etc. Leading products is following: filter plate, committed to the development of high-quality filter plates to reduce the purchase and maintenance costs of customers' filter presses. Can work and adapt on customers' drawing. Max filter plate size is 4,500 millimeters. Stator and rotor of flotation machine. Cooperate with Beijing General Research Institute of Mining and Metallurgy. The rotor and stator is made of high-quality rubber, polyurethane, nylon Formula 3 specifications, quality first class. The company has the most comprehensive, so far the biggest manufacturer of the world specifications. All of the stator and rotor can be customized according to the actual conditions of surveying and mapping. Rubber-lined steel pipes. Max diameter 1,000 millimeters. Advantages of the production process: no seam process. Diameter 3.5 meters multiply by 13 meters vulcanizing tank. Can vulcanize rubber-lined steel pipes with max length 13 meters. Cruhser and parts. Rubber cover plate and impeller for slurry pump Max M CR 550. Rubber liner plate for lining mill. Rubber and PU sleeve plate. Conveyor and parts. The company has advanced inspection equipment and quality control system. We have strict inspection on each batch of material and ready goods. Users' satisfaction is our target. More and more mining company choose our products at home and abroad. Our long-term partner as follows: CITIC Pacific Mining, Australia; China National Gold Group Corp., Aluminum Corporation of China Limited; Taiyuan Iron and Steel Company Limited; Anshan Iron and Steel Group Company Limited; Jiaojin Group Company Limited, etc. Since setup, we have exported our products to over 50 countries around the 5 continents like America, Australia, Canada, Russia, Finland, Germany, Chile, Peru, Brazil, South Africa, Zambia, Vietnam, etc. Our products have very good performance for the mining machinery during the years.